2025, the biggest advantage a student can have isn't a private tutor or the newest laptop. It's the right AI tools. We're living in a moment where artificial intelligence can write your outline, organize your week, summarize an entire textbook, and even help you sound more professional in your emails. But here's the catch. Most students still aren't using these tools the right way. Some don't even know they exist. That's like running a marathon with bricks in your backpack while others are gliding on electric scooters. This video isn't about cheating the system. It's about leveling up, using smart tools to save time, think deeper, and stay ahead of the curve. Because let's be honest, classes are harder, deadlines are tighter, and distractions are everywhere. You don't need more hours in the day. You just need the right digital teammates. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that every student, high school, college, or beyond, should be using this year. They're free or affordable, surprisingly easy to learn, and they can truly reshape how you study, write, and manage your academic life. Trust me, you'll want to stay for number 5. Tool number 1, Notion AI, your second brain. Imagine walking into class with every subject organized, every deadline tracked, and every idea neatly tucked away without spending hours doing it yourself. That's what Notion AI offers. Think of it as your second brain, but one that never forgets anything and works 24/7 to keep your academic life in order. Notion on its own is already a game changer. Part notebook, part calendar, part task manager. But when you add AI into the mix, things get supercharged. You can ask it to summarize your class notes, create outlines for essays, even generate to-do lists based on your syllabus. Forgot what that long lecture was about? Notion AI can scan your notes and give you a bite-sized summary that actually makes sense. The best part? It feels like a real assistant. You're not just dumping information. You're having conversations with your workspace. Ask it questions, get clear answers. Need to brainstorm for a group project? It'll throw out ideas like a classmate who's done all the reading. Notion AI is perfect for students juggling multiple classes, part-time jobs, and personal chaos. It doesn't just help you get organized. It helps you think better. And once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Tool number 2, Perplexity AI. Let's be honest, most of us still start our homework research on Google. But what if you can skip the 10 open tabs, sketchy blogs, and outdated PDFs and go straight to the answer? That's exactly what Perplexity AI does. It's like Google got a PhD and finally learned how to talk to students. Perplexity AI works like a chatbot, but it's built for fast, factual research. You type in your question, whether it's what caused the fall of the Roman Empire or explain photosynthesis in simple terms, and it gives you a clear, well-organized answer. Not only that, it includes real-time sources right underneath, so you can verify everything and even cite it if needed. This isn't some shortcut that gives you fluff. Perplexity actually understands what you're asking. It can break down complex ideas, explain opposing arguments, or help you prep for an essay by giving multiple viewpoints on a topic. And because it updates with the latest information, it's miles ahead of old search engines stuck in 2021 results. Whether you're cramming at midnight or just trying to get unstuck on your research paper, Perplexity AI is like having a super smart study buddy who always answers your texts. Fast, focused, and freakishly helpful. Tool number 3, Gamma. Make stunning presentations in minutes. You know that sinking feeling when your teacher announces a group project and you get stuck making the presentation? Yeah, we've all been there. But this time, you've got Gamma, the AI tool that turns boring slides into scroll-stopping presentations in minutes. Gamma isn't like PowerPoint or Google Slides. It doesn't ask you to drag boxes or figure out what font looks professional. Instead, you just type in your topic, say causes of climate change or the history of artificial intelligence, and Gamma builds a clean, beautiful presentation for you. We're talking images, headers, layout, even suggestions for what to say on each slide. And the best part? It feels modern. Gamma presentations are designed more like web pages than static slides. You scroll through them smoothly, with animations and polished formatting that makes you look like you hired a designer. If you're someone who stresses about visuals or hates formatting, this is your get-out-of-jail-free card. Tool number 4. Scribe, AI that takes notes for you. Have you ever tried to follow a complicated online tutorial or step-by-step guide, and by step 3, you've already forgotten step 1? That's where Scribe comes in. And trust me, it might be the most underrated AI tool for students in 2025. Scribe watches what you do on your screen. Whether you're navigating a new piece of software, setting up a science simulation, or going through a homework portal, and automatically creates a step-by-step visual guide of everything you clicked. It captures your process in real time and builds it into a shareable document, complete with screenshots and instructions. Imagine how helpful that is when you're doing repetitive tasks, or trying to remember how to submit an assignment through a weird school platform. Or if you're the go-to person in your study group, you can finally stop explaining the same thing 5 times. Just send them the Scribe. It's also perfect for students who learn by doing. You don't have to take notes while juggling tabs. Scribe does it for you, and better. You can review the steps, print them, or save them for your finals. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who records everything for you and never misses a detail. In short, Scribe saves your brain power and your grade. Tool number 5. AI writing assistants for essays and emails. Let's face it, writing is hard. Whether it's a 5-paragraph essay or an awkward email to your professor, most students either overthink every sentence or hit send too soon. But in 2025, you've got help, and it comes in the form of Grammarly Go or WordTune. These aren't just grammar checkers. They're full-blown AI writing assistants that understand what you're trying to say and help you say it better. Grammarly Go works like a writing coach in real time. It suggests tone changes, rewrites clunky sentences, and even helps you brainstorm introductions or conclusions when your brain's fried. WordTune, on the other hand, is perfect when you've written something and it just doesn't sound right. You highlight your sentence, and WordTune gives you multiple improved versions. More concise, more casual, more formal, depending on your goal. It's especially helpful for writing essays with a tight word count, or editing an application where every word matters. Both tools also shine when you're writing to professors or internship coordinators. They help you sound clear, confident, and professional, without sounding like ChatGPT wrote it for you. That's the sweet spot. The truth is, good writing opens doors. These tools help you walk through them, with a lot less stress and a lot more polish. So there you have it, 5 powerful AI tools that can seriously change the way you study, write, present, and stay organized in 2025. And here's the truth. These tools aren't just for top students or tech nerds. They're for anyone who wants to save time, reduce stress, and perform better without burning out. You don't need to master all 5 today. Just pick one, the one that solves your biggest academic headache right now, and try it this week. Maybe it's organizing your semester in Notion AI, or finally getting through that research paper with Perplexity. Maybe it's just sending a clean, confident email without second-guessing every word. The smartest students aren't working harder. They're working smarter. And AI is giving you the same edge that professionals and top performers are already using. Why not you? If you found something helpful in this video, drop a comment with the tool you're most excited to try. And if you're already using one, let others know how it's helped. Subscribe for more student-friendly tech, and I'll see you in the next one.